Understanding the honeymoon phase, an English learning journey. Hello everyone, welcome to our English language learning series. Today, we're going to explore an interesting English phrase, honeymoon phase. This phrase is often used in everyday conversation, and understanding its meaning can really enhance your English skills. So, let's dive in and uncover the nuances of this fascinating expression. The term, honeymoon phase, typically refers to the early stages of a situation or relationship where everything seems perfect. It's a period marked by happiness, excitement, and often, a lack of problems. The origin of this phrase comes from the traditional honeymoon trip that newlyweds take after their wedding, symbolizing a time of joy and romantic bliss. However, the phrase is now used in a broader context, extending beyond just romantic relationships. In everyday language, you might hear the honeymoon phase used in various contexts. For instance, when starting a new job, the first few weeks where everything feels new and exciting can be described as the honeymoon phase. It's important to recognize that this phrase often implies that this positive period is temporary and might not reflect the long-term reality. Let's look at some example sentences. 1. When I first moved to the city, I was in the honeymoon phase. Everything seemed so fascinating. 2. Their team was in the honeymoon phase at the beginning of the project, but soon faced challenges. These examples show how the phrase can be adapted to different situations, highlighting the initial excitement followed by a return to normalcy or the emergence of challenges. Understanding phrases like the honeymoon phase is crucial for English language learners because it offers insight into cultural nuances and figurative language. Such phrases enrich your vocabulary and help you convey ideas more effectively in English. Remember, the power of language often lies in these colorful expressions. I hope this video has been insightful in explaining the meaning and usage of the phrase, honeymoon phase. Remember, learning a language is about understanding not just the words, but the culture and contexts they are used in. Keep practicing, and you'll find yourself mastering these expressions in no time. Happy learning, and see you in our next video.